I'm recording you right now. David. David, look up real quick. All right, gotcha. Keep on going.
This is freaking awesome.
Go, David, go!
Okay, I stuck.
Yeah, the machine asks you, are you still there?
Oh, we're not even gonna worry
I
about
know,
those
but
yet.
it knows you're on there.
This is out of this world.
This is my favorite machine.
I'm gonna have to tell my physical therapist that I reached out to that I'm doing this.
But
So I really have buns of titanium then?
That was
My
good.
My buns and my legs will match.
yeah.
Well, what the?
Oh.
I'm good. I'm good. Yep.
Is this the new machine?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
What'd you say he was? Crazy? Go, David!
You wanted pictures?
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes again. There it goes. Good catch. Good catch.
Okay, he just got to get his foot back in there.